Hello friends, most welcome to MATLAB Latex software channel, and here is Ashraf Ali, and today we will discuss about configuring SVN support in Latex. To support SVN subversion of document versioning, to make use of it, the SVN command line tools need to be installed. Linux and Mac OSX normally provide already SVN tools for Windows. The installation of SlikSVN is recommended. The complete path to the command SVN and SVN admin need to be adjusted in the appropriate field of the commands page in the options. On the SVN page, you can choose the degree of automation. WSVN, you cannot check out a repository via texstudio. Just choose the normal tools for this, either SVN checkout on the command line or the GUI of your choice. Once you have a working copy, texstudio can operate on it. Automatically check in after save allows texstudio to perform an SVN check in after every save of document, thus providing a very complete history of the creation of documents. Since text documents are rather small compared to disk spaces, size of SVN database should not be a problem. In addition, newly saved files save as are automatically added to SVN control, provide that the directory is already under SVN control. If that is not the case, texstudio searches in SVN directory search depth directly above the current directory for SVN for an SVN control directory to which the subdirectories and the text document will be added. If no appropriate directory is found, a repository is automatically generated in a directory called dot slash repo, and the document is added. Thus the thus the user does not need to look up the necessary commands to set up a repository. This functionality is only activated when auto check-in in is enabled. With user SVN revisions to undo before last save, texstudio will perform undo as usually, but if there are no further undoable commands in the internal storage, document will be changed to the previous version in SVN history. Further undo commands allow one to back further to older revisions, whereas a redo goes forward to more recent versions. This is a more in, interactive approach than choosing SVN revisions directly via menu command. Now we'll go to the text studio. Go to option menu, configure text studio, and configure text studio. Please wait. Uh, Here is SVN and GIT. If you want to show advanced option, you can also show advanced options here. And use SVN is on the top, is use GIT and use SVN as you wish. No automatic check after save is check in after file save only, check in after all save operations, that is also before compiles. Use SVN, and also you can also use SVN or get VN to undo before the last saved, and subtitle keywords where the properties on SVN added. Here is a directory as you wish, what you want here, and OK as you wish. Friends, thanks for listening me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.